Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a knife in Roblox Rivals. To equip your knife, simply press the designated key, usually the 3 key on your keyboard. Once equipped, the primary attack is a quick slash, typically performed by clicking your left mouse button. This is effective for close-range engagements. Some knives also feature a secondary attack, often a lunge or a more powerful stab, which you can activate with your right mouse button. Mastering these basic controls is your first step to becoming a formidable knife user. To truly excel with your knife, focus on advanced movement and timing. Strafing left and right while attacking makes you a harder target to hit. Practice jumping and attacking simultaneously to surprise opponents or gain a slight height advantage. Aim for the head or upper body for critical damage, often resulting in a one-hit elimination. Precision and quick reflexes are key to landing these crucial blows, especially when facing multiple adversaries within a few feet. Strategic knife usage involves knowing when and where to strike. The knife is most effective in close-quarters combat or when an enemy has low health or is reloading. Utilize flanking routes and surprise attacks from behind to catch opponents off guard. Always be aware of your surroundings and enemy positions on the map. A well-timed ambush can turn the tide of a skirmish, allowing you to eliminate 1 or 2 enemies swiftly and silently. Consistent practice is essential for mastering knife combat. Spend time in custom games or training modes to refine your aim and movement. Observe skilled players to learn new tactics and understand their decision-making. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches and find what works best for your playstyle. With dedication, you'll soon be executing impressive knife eliminations and dominating your rivals with precision and flair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.